Okay guys, in today's lesson I'm going to be showing you how to design and create a service page for user to use to apply for a service in this application. Remember, in our previous video we talked about this application used for services. They provide different kind of services. Okay, so what you do when you log into the application, you need to request a service. So whatever service the application is offering, you'll be able to request for it. For example, it might be truck ordering application where people can come in and order a truck to pack their load, or maybe we are looking for a local vendor that is doing any kind of business in your locality. You can decide whatever you want to create, just come up with it. All right. So what we are teaching you is how to create this kind of functionality in your application. So as you can see on my screen, this is the service page right here. So we'll show how to design it. You select service type. If you want to drop any note for the user, you drop a note and you click on what? Continue. Then take you to the next step by step. Then you submit your service request, and the company will get notification that you have applied for a service, or you have make a request for their service. So all this is what I'm going to teach you on this class. Okay, so how to design and create a service page for user to use to apply for service in the application. All right, if you have any question, please don't forget, drop your comment, like, share. We'll see you in the next lesson.